Until now, everyone would get a charger with their e-bikes. Never really thought anything about it, just charge their bikes. But now we start seeing bikes being used in hubs, multiple bikes being charged at the same location, and all of different chargers becoming a mess.
The providers of shared e-bikes, they face a problem because all the cables hanging around is a hassle, and they spend up to 50% of their revenues on charging related costs. So that blocks them for growing their mobility solution.
That was the time that I was connected to the TU Delft, and they had the perfect solution in how to solve the problem of not having a universal, flexible and carefree charging solution.
So our system consists of two parts. We have the tile, which is completely universal. We have the kickstand. The kickstand goes on any vehicle and allows it to use our charging tiles. Our charging tiles will be the same for every vehicle, and vehicles will get a specific kickstand. Bicycles, luckily, all have the same mounting points for kickstands, so we can immediately charge all e-bikes. Cargo bikes will get their own version, scooters will get their own version, and other light electric vehicles will get their own versions along the way. Tile will always be the same.
So that's the problem what you actually solve. So we save up to 80% of those costs, and we make sure that they have 24/7 charged e-bikes available. So eventually we will set the standard for charging light electric vehicles globally.
Right now, we're trying to force a change where universal charging becomes a standard, and not only universal charging, but also unabruptive charging, where it doesn't take any real estate from your charging hub. We make the product together, making it very integrated. We're very proud of that we all do everything in-house, so we don't outsource any of our design work.
After about 3 years of product development, testing, making prototypes, having it out there in the field, now we are in a great momentum because we go into serial production.
So this is your time to participate and help Tyler accelerate in Europe. Join us in our journey to 100,000 charging tiles in 2027.
So this first production run is only going to be a few hundred pieces, but it's the ramp up to thousands, even tens of thousands of units yearly and even monthly later on. We really hope to first convert all those mobility hubs where people take their shared vehicles, and later on start converting cities into cities where everyone can charge their vehicle on the streets, charge them on every corner. Leisure areas where people can really enjoy themselves and never worry about an empty vehicle. So we're really in it to transform the cities that we live in and really get rid of those cars.